possession and still be a really good player. Garnett's passion is why he is so good.
Oh, sweet baby. Hi, honey. Happy baby. You a happy baby? That's Daddy's mouth. Look at Daddy's mouth. So calm now. You love your best friend, don't you?
Talking about Jordan Palmer. Eddie House is not a true point guard, so you have to force the issue. Force him to pick up the basketball, and then the skip pass. Excellent defense by Vujacic. Does a great job coming up with the steal and the easy fast break loop. Vujacic was just 1 of 9 in Game 4. Makes his first basket off that steal.